Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. First, always begin with a freshly cleansed face to ensure maximum absorption of the product. Take just a small, pea-sized amount of the moisturizer onto your clean fingertips. Then, gently massage it into your skin using soft, upward motions. This helps the product penetrate effectively and stimulate circulation for a healthy glow. For optimal results, incorporate Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer into both your morning and evening skincare routines. A pea-sized amount is usually perfect for covering your entire face and neck. Remember, a little goes a long way with this hydrating formula. You can always adjust the quantity slightly based on how dry your skin feels or the climate you are in, ensuring perfect hydration. Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer offers fantastic benefits for your skin. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, providing deep hydration. This action helps to visibly plump your skin, which can soften the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Regular use supports a strong, healthy skin barrier, keeping your complexion smooth and resilient. To truly maximize the benefits of your Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, try applying it to slightly damp skin right after cleansing. This helps to seal in even more moisture. During your morning routine, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your hydrated skin from environmental damage. Remember, consistent daily use is essential for maintaining a beautifully hydrated and healthy-looking complexion over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.